How to combine multiple PDF into a single file. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to go to any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and simply type PDF Combine or Combine PDF and hit the enter key. Then after you will see a lot of websites providing you the free service of converting your multiple PDF file into a single one. Click on any one of the website, click on the option of upload file and choose your all PDF files which you want to convert into a single PDF. After you have chosen, simply click on open and then in short period of time all the PDF file will be combined into one and you will be able to download it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.